Hi everyone, this is Jyoti Lakshmi, Assistant Professor of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science from Ramco Institute of Technology, Rajapalayam. I am here to teach about food resources. So it is very important that one has to understand about their sources of food. A balanced diet is one which is very important for leading a healthy life. So it involves carbohydrates, minerals, vitamins, and fats. To ensure one is consuming a balanced diet, we need to have a knowledge about sources of food. Food sources. The main sources of foods are classified into two groups. One is food from plants and animals, and other one is microbes. Food from plants. Plants are a wide variety of nutrition holder to keep the human body in perfect working condition. Human consume everything from plants like fruits, flowers, stems of some plants, leaves, stems like lettuce, celery, and roots like carrot and beetroot. Then seeds include wheat, rye, etc. All the food comes from plants. Even animal also sometimes consuming plants. So human actually consuming food from plants directly or indirectly. The reason one is advised to consume fruits and vegetables on a daily basis is because they are the richer source of nutrients. So let us have a look at some of the food obtained from different parts of the plants. First of all, fruits and vegetables. So it includes vitamins, minerals, fibers that help in digestion and overall health. Examples include, we all know familiar about this, apple, bananas, oranges or the etc. They are the fruits, and vegetables include spinaches, carrot, potatoes, tomatoes, etc. Nutritional value. They are rich in vitamins, for particularly A, C, K, folic acid, and antioxidants. Then they contain fiber. It is very good for digestion and gut health. Then it has so much of water, so it will help you to keep hydrated yourself and low in calories and supporting weight management. Then roots, radish, turnip, carrot, beetroot or some of the roots we are taken as vegetables. Then stems include potatoes, ginger or the stems that we are taken as vegetable. Leaves, spinaches, cabbage, lettuce, flowers, cauliflower, and broccoli. Then cereals. Cereals include rice, wheat, maize, jowar, barley. Actually, these serves as a stable foods for most of the world's population. So, majority in the food we are taking cereals as their food content. The nutritional value, they are high in carbohydrate, so it will provide some energy for doing our work. Then it contains dietary fiber, vitamins, B complex, and minerals include iron and zinc. Then some grains like quinoa and millet are rich in proteins also. Then oil, seeds, and nuts. Oil, seeds, and nuts provide healthy fats, proteins, and micronutrients. So almond, walnut, peanuts, sunflower seeds, sesame seeds, flax seeds are the examples of this. Nutritional value, they are high in omega 3 and omega 6 fatty acids, and it contains vitamin E and antioxidants, supports brain function and heart health. Then pulses. Pulses are the excellent plant-based protein sources and essential for vegetarian diets. So basically, for a vegetarian peoples, so pulses are the excellent protein sources. Examples include lentils, chickpeas, black beans, kidney beans, green peas. Nutritional value: high in proteins and dietary fiber, low in fats, making them heart healthy. Contains essential amino acids and minerals including iron and magnesium. Then this spices and beverages. So actually these will enhance the food flavor and provide some medicinal benefits also. Examples, spices, in our daily food we are taking turmeric, cinnamon, cloves, cardamom and black pepper. Then beverages, tea, coffee and chocolate. Nutritional value, they are rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, and it helps in digestion and metabolism. So here antioxidants, these food will help us in disease, help in disease prevention. So while we are going to attack by some any viruses or bacteria, these food will enhance improve our antibiotic system, so that we can prevent from those diseases. Then food from animals. So animal products are the food we can directly consume or we can indirectly consume. Like milk, eggs and meats are the important examples of food from animals. So animals provide high quality proteins, essential amino acid and healthy fats necessary for muscle development, brain function and immune health. So animal source food, ASF, may include the food items that come from animal source such as fish, meat, eggs, honey, dairy. Some people will consume little ASF, or they will consume none of this for longer periods of time. It is due to their personal choice, or maybe in this location where ASF is not available. So these are the vitamins and minerals it is available in ASF contents. So meat is of two types, red meat and white meat. The meat of cow, goat, sheep, pig has a lot of fat, so it is called red meat. White meat contains lead fat. So basically, in the fat contains high lot of fat means it is a red meat, and if it is a less fat means it is white meat. So white meat comes from obtained from chicken and fish. White meat is healthier and can be easily digested as compared to red meat. Since white meat has lesser fat, it is healthier. Nutritional value, meat is rich in proteins and amino acids, and it contains vitamins B12, other vitamins, zinc, phosphorus, and iron. Red meats provide more iron, while white meat is leaner and lower in fat. So the one of the advantage of using red meat is it contains more iron, but it has high amount of fat. Dairy products. Dairy products provide calcium and proteins for bone health. Cows, buffaloes, sheep, goats, camels are a great source of milk. Examples include milk, cheese, yogurt, butter, paneer. Nutritional value, high in calcium and vitamin D. So it is, since it is it is having high calcium, it supports our bone health, and it contains probiotic, particularly in yogurt. It improves gut health. Then it is rich in proteins, especially casein and whey proteins. So whey protein is available in milk. Eggs. Eggs are considered as complete protein source with all essential amino acids. So eggs may be obtained from chicken eggs, duck eggs, and quail eggs. It is rich in proteins, vitamin A, D, E, and B12 also. Contains choline. It supports for brain health. Then egg whites provide pure protein, while yolks contain healthy fats. So actually, eggs are a very good source of protein. Even it is economically efficient. It is only 5 to 6 rupees, right? So it is very healthy with in cheaper rate. Then seafood. Seafood provides omega 3 fatty acid, essential for brain and heart health. Examples: fish, prawns, crab, and oysters. Nutritional value, it is rich in omega 3 fatty acids, good for heart and brain. Then high in lean proteins and low in saturated fat. Since it having lean proteins, it will be easily digestible, and it provides iodine, essential for thyroid function. Honey. So honey is a natural sweetener with medicinal properties. So we can use it alternative to white sugar. So it contains natural sugars and antioxidants. Then it helps with wound healing and immunity. Since it is high in antioxidants, it will be act as an immunity booster, used in Ayurvedic medicine for digestive health. Food from microbes. So microbes such as bacteria, molds, and yeasts are employed for food production, as well as uh, the food may be spoiled due to this. So in food production, we can consider about wine, beer, bakery, and dairy products. We are using this for producing these products. So microbial diversity is truly staggering. Microbes are grouped into five major types: viruses, bacteria, archaea, fungi, and protists. Spoilage microorganisms, that means that can grow in food and cause undesirable changes in flavor, consistency, color, and appearance. So microorganisms actually derive energy from carbohydrate, alcohols, and amino acids. Many microorganisms will metabolize simple sugars such as glucose. Others can metabolize more complex carbohydrates such as starch or cellulose or glycogen found in muscle foods. Some microorganisms can use fatty fats as an energy source. So, so every food contains these three macronutrients. So, taking these macronutrients as their energy source, microorganisms develop in the food. And one more microorganisms, one of the application of microorganism is fermentation process. So for thousands of years mankind has used yeast, molds, and bacteria to make food products such as bread, beer, wine, vinegar, yogurt, cheese, as well as fermented fish, meat, and vegetables. Microbes contribute to digestion, produce vitamin K, promote development of the immune system, and detoxify harmful chemicals. Fermented foods. Fermentation enhances food preservation, flavor, and probiotic content. Example: yogurt, pickles. Nutritional value: it contains beneficial probiotics for gut health, and also it improves digestion and boosts immunity. Fungi based foods. Some fungi serve as nutritious and protein rich foods. Examples: mushroom and truffles. Nutritional value: they are low in calories and rich in fiber, good source of vitamin D and antioxidants and proteins. Yeast based products. Yeast is used in food production for fermentation. Examples in bakery products: bread, beer, and wine. Nutritional value: it helps in digestion and improves gut flora. Beer and wine provides antioxidants, and also we have to consume in moderation, then we can get this antioxidants. Algae and spirulina, so they are the superfoods rich in proteins and micronutrients. Nutritional value: it contains high proteins. So since it has high proteins, it is used as a supplements. It contains iron, B vitamins, and antioxidants. Then enzyme based foods. Microbial enzymes aid in the production of certain foods. Examples: cheese, soya sauce, vinegar. So it will add unique flavors and textures to food and support digestion and metabolism. So these are the food sources from microbes. So all these foods are important to our health. So we have to consume everything, and protein are the essential building blocks for our body. So we need to take so much of protein content, and also we need to take an balanced diet. So thank you for listening to this video. Thank you.